Bottom cripples are those short little studs you see right under windowsills, and they're super important for making sure everything's solid and supported. So, these bottom cripples basically fill the space between the windowsill and the bottom plate of your wall framing. They're spaced about 16 inches on center, just like regular studs, and what they do is transfer the load from the windowsill down to the bottom plate. Without them, the weight from above could cause the window frame to sag or shift, which is a total pain. Also, they give drywall and other finishing materials something to attach to so your walls look smooth and stay intact. When you're putting together a wall with windows, don't skip on bottom cripples because they keep everything lined up and strong. They also help keep insulation snug in the wall cavity under the sill. If you ever notice a windowsill feeling wobbly or uneven, those bottom cripples might be missing or not properly installed. One of the biggest mistakes with bottom cripples is spacing them too far apart, which can make the windowsill weak and cause cracks in drywall. Fix that by sticking to 16 inches on center spacing so the load is evenly spread. Another common problem is not cutting them to the right length so they don't fit snug between the sill and bottom plate. Always measure twice and cut once for a tight fit. The third issue is forgetting to install them altogether, especially in DIY projects, which leads to structural problems down the road. Just take the time to add these short studs properly, and your window frame will thank you. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot if you're a homeowner looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff. If you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to get connected with people needing quality home improvement work without all the hassle.